playing with ChuChu. Hi, friends! Today, we are going to draw something special. Come on, let's start.
Okay!
Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me! Thank you! Let's open this egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! Hooray! It's a juicy strawberry. Yay! Come on, let's draw the strawberry. First, let's draw the strawberry's body. Now, let's draw the green crown on the strawberry's top. Let's erase the extra line. Now, let's draw some seeds. Now, let's color the strawberry. know what's so special about the strawberry? The strawberry is the only fruit whose seeds are on the outside.
Berry, berry, strawberry. Do you want this strawberry?
Yes, yes, yes. I like this red strawberry.
Your brother and sister want to